what's going on? It's Deeper in here. Guess what? Bitch. And it's raining outside. But I can't. Oh, I can't chug outside today. I can't because of the flippin' rain. Huh, the flippin' rain. Guess what, motherfucker? Mountain Dew's a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail picture, bitch. It's time for fucking chug right fucking now, bitch. And I've been pretty full yesterday because I just ate 3 pizzas and eat some watermelon and drink a milkshake. It's gonna be way too freaking cold for milkshakes. And I have some leftover wild cherry Pepsi Zero Sugar from my video yesterday. Wait. I thought I saw someone pulled in my house, but that's my neighbor. And I got the last one. I will finish it for like a little bit later. And I'm gonna be having some French toast for dinner tonight. I love French toast, but let's not talk about food right now because that's gonna make me hungry. Since I'm a little bit full right now. Since today for breakfast at school I had a blueberry bagel. And today at lunch I had a baked potato bar. And I don't like mashed potatoes. I only like French fries, potato wedges, and baked potato bars. So I do love French fries. Of course I like French fries. What the hell is the matter with you? Like, what the hell are you talking about? I like French fries. What the hell are you talking about? The hell? So time for open this up. Damn, man. I didn't hear it, Fizzy. I freaking swear. The hell. Like, what the heck is wrong with those bottles? What the heck? Perfect, you go, bitch. Today I do sugar today. I'll just get fat. I'm gonna be fat. And I love blueberries. Of course I love fucking blueberries. Excuse my language. Of course I like freaking blueberries so freaking much. Like, I don't give a shit. Every damn time. Damn freaking tongue. Holy Christ. Dang, man. Dang. Come on, gosh darn it. Shit. Oh, shoot. Holy shoot, man. The old brand, somewhere around, but they're gonna be gone forever and never coming back. This is not making me sick, it's making me feel full. I hope I don't clog the toilet today because I did that like Wednesday night in the middle of the night when I had to go take a shit. Because after I did that, my mom's boyfriend was not happy at me. He was not happy about it. He got very pissed at me. He was not very happy about it. He got mad at me because I clogged the toilet, and this happened Thursday when I came back home from school. When he came into the bathroom, and he got mad at me because I accidentally clogged the toilet. He was not too happy about it. Don't clog the toilet. Don't do that because your mom will get mad and your father will get mad. Clogging the toilet is getting too much toilet paper. I've been getting a lot of diarrhea. Don't do that. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Man. Man. I was gonna chug all those yesterday for the shirtless Sunday, but it got me a little bit of a bad stomach ache. Hey, are you talking? Yes, Brandon. What the heck? What the freak, my belly? What the freak? I'm sorry that I hurt you yesterday. It was an accident. It was a freaking accident. Brandon, it was an accident. I didn't do it on purpose. Okay, my belly. Accidents happen, right? Yes, Brandon. Accidents happen. And I'm not a wishing fountain. Of course you're not, my belly. And you see my double chin? My double chin. Man, I hate having a double chin for, oh. I guess I'll just turn 18 and just lose weight. And I farted. Comes out of my asshole. And feels like rats can piss and shit someplace. Someplace. Oh shit. I'm like touching my double chin. That's my back. Fuck. My double chin. Fuck you, double chin. Hey! Don't talk to me like that. Whatever, my double chin. Don't whatever me. Everything is talking. Hey, Brayden, please don't swear at me. I didn't mean to give you a double chin like this. But lose weight, and that if you lose weight, I will disappear. Good. Double chin. I'm not a wishing fountain. You're not a wishing fountain, asshole. And you just swore too. So you, Raven, you need to watch your mouth in those videos before I go get the soap and the hot sauce mixed together and put it right in your wiener. Oh, the hot sauce mixed with soap right in your penis and it will burn. My double chin, I burnt my penis before with the hot sauce. Okay, and I will put hot sauce in your penis if you don't watch your mouth. Got it? Yes, double chin. Man, I did this with Dr. Pepper this Saturday and it made me throw up. And I don't want to puke in this Mountain Dew, so screw it. Screw that crap. And I'm not allowed to do an alcohol chug yet until I'm 21, because that's the law. Because I knew that Wegless eating, he got banned from alcoholic videos because he did way too much, and some were deleted by him because YouTube does not allow alcoholic videos. A lot of that because alcohol is illegal. I'm gonna finish the last one. But they're warm by the damn way. Damn it. Damn it. I farted again. I feel full. I'm so full. I don't like this. Oh man, I don't feel very good. I don't feel so good. I don't feel good. Holy shit. Holy crap. So sorry. Piece of veg.